Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Swipejobs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Swipejobs is a job matching app designed to connect hourly workers with temporary or shift-based job opportunities in warehousing, logistics, and general labor. The app uses a profile-based system to match users with roles that fit their skills, location, and availability. From onboarding to assignment, everything is managed within the app, including clocking in, reviewing job details, and tracking hours. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users like the streamlined interface and how fast they can get matched with work. Notifications for nearby jobs are timely, and the check-in/checkout feature works smoothly. The flexibility of choosing jobs on your schedule is a major plus for those who want control over their work-life balance. However, there are a few issues to note. Some users have reported inconsistencies in job availability depending on the area, occasional bugs with time tracking, and communication delays from staffing partners. Additionally, payment timing can vary, which may be a concern for those needing fast payouts. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Swipejobs is a useful app for those looking to find flexible, shift-based work in various industries. While it may not be perfect in every region, it offers a quick way to get started with temp jobs without heavy paperwork or long wait times. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.